Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto games like Hamster Kombat in 2025, you absolutely need a secure wallet to manage your assets. Today, we're focusing on how to create a Tonkeeper wallet, which is perfect for the Ton blockchain that Hamster Kombat runs on. It's straightforward, secure, and takes just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a smartphone or computer with a reliable internet connection. Tonkeeper is available as a mobile app or browser extension, so download it from the official website or app store to avoid any fakes. Once it's installed, open the app and you'll see an option to create new wallet. Tap that, and you'll be prompted to set up a strong password. Remember, this is your first line of defense, so use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, Tonkeeper will generate a seed phrase. That's a series of 12 to 24 words. Write these down somewhere safe and private, because if you lose access to your device, this phrase is your backup to recover your wallet. Don't skip this step. After confirming your seed phrase, you'll need to verify it by entering the words in the correct order. Now, for Hamster Kombat integration, go to the app's settings and look for the Connect to dApps or Wallets section. Search for Hamster Kombat and link your wallet. This might require you to approve a connection request. In 2025, Tonkeeper has some cool updates, like enhanced biometric security options such as Face ID or fingerprint, so enable those for extra protection. Once linked, you can start transferring tokens or playing Hamster Kombat directly through your wallet. If you run into any issues, check the Tonkeeper Help Center or community forums. There you have it. You're now set up and ready to conquer Hamster Kombat. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.